Hey everyone, how are you? If you want to buy latest and the best gadget of this year, then you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the greatest gadget of this year. Now I will make video on foldable phone. If you like the product and want to buy the products, you need to go through the link which is in the description box. Product 1. OnePlus Open. OnePlus Open represents the latest offering from OnePlus, a prominent player in the smartphone industry known for its innovation and high-performance devices. This particular model boasts impressive specifications tailored to meet the demands of tech-savvy users. OnePlus Open features a generous 16 GB of RAM paired with a spacious 512 GB of internal storage, ensuring seamless multitasking and ample space for storing apps, media, and files. With dual SIM capability, users have the flexibility to manage two separate phone lines simultaneously, ideal for separating personal and professional communications. Designed in a sleek Voyager black finish, this smartphone is visually appealing and exudes a premium aesthetic. As a US factory unlocked device, it offers versatility and compatibility across various carriers, giving users the freedom to choose their preferred network provider. Powered by a robust 4805 mAh battery, the OnePlus Open delivers long-lasting usage without frequent replenishment of the battery, minimizing downtime and keeping users connected throughout the day. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the integration of Hasselblad camera technology, renowned for its exceptional image quality and color accuracy. Whether capturing stunning landscapes or candid moments, the OnePlus Open promises to deliver impressive results. Furthermore, the device product 2 product name Google Pixel Fold. Google Pixel Fold represents a significant advancement in Google's smartphone lineup, introducing a foldable display technology to their flagship Pixel series. This device offers users the versatility of a traditional smartphone while also providing the option to unfold it into a larger screen, akin to a small tablet. One of the standout features of the Google Pixel Fold is its advanced camera system, which includes a telephoto lens and an ultra-wide lens. This configuration allows users to capture a wide range of scenes with precision and clarity, catering to both photography enthusiasts and casual users alike. Moreover, being an unlocked Android 5G smartphone, the Pixel Fold ensures compatibility with various carriers and access to high-speed internet connectivity. This is particularly essential in today's digital landscape, where fast and reliable internet access is paramount. The device boasts a robust 24-hour battery life, addressing concerns about power longevity, which is crucial. A touch of elegance to the Pixel Fold's design, appealing to consumers who value aesthetics as much as functionality. Furthermore, the availability of a renewed version, particularly with 256 GB of storage, offers a more budget-friendly option for those interested in the Pixel Fold. Product 3 product name Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 represents the pinnacle of innovation in the realm of smartphones, continuing the legacy of its predecessors with groundbreaking features and a futuristic design. Released in 2023 in an eye-catching icy blue color, this unlocked Android smartphone boasts an expansive 7.6-inch main screen, providing users with an immersive experience perfect for streaming, gaming, and productivity tasks. One of the standout features of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is its versatile design, which includes a 6.2-inch cover display that enables convenient one-handed usage while on the go. This secondary display enhances usability, allowing users to interact with notifications, messages, and apps without needing to unfold the device fully. Smartphone's multitasking capabilities are further enhanced by the dual app view feature, which enables users to run two apps simultaneously, taking advantage of the large screen real estate. This functionality, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is Flex Mode, which leverages the device's flexible display to provide unique use cases. Whether it's watching videos hands-free, taking group selfies with ease, or participating in video calls, Flex Mode adapts the user experience to suit. Product 4 product name Motorola Razr Plus. The Motorola Razr Plus is a smartphone model released in 2023, designed with the hallmark flip phone aesthetic that pays homage to the iconic Motorola Razr series. Marketed as unlocked, this device offers flexibility in choosing mobile carriers. It comes with a substantial 8 GB RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, which is designed to accommodate the needs of users, particularly those in the United States. The device features a 32MP camera, likely aimed at providing users with decent photography capabilities for everyday use. In terms of dimensions, it is relatively compact, measuring approximately 73.95 x 170.83 x 6.99 mm, which could appeal to users who prioritize portability. The device is available in the color option magenta, possibly indicating a vibrant and stylish aesthetic. Overall, the Motorola Razr Plus appears to blend modern smartphone functions.
Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.